Hi there, welcome to Klein Farm Channel. Today I'm at the Burger King cruise-in night, Friday night cruise-in. And here I'll go and walk around and show you all the cars here. This is a nice old Corvette, Batmobile.
Pretty stock.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, you're fine.
'80 Corvette. Every car show I go, I see that guy pulling in.
Oh, nothing but boys.
And we've seen this dune buggy before a few times. So we passed this pickup about half an hour ago. Kind of in the way there. Fuzzy dice. This is pretty.
All that shit out here. Just go brand new. Yeah, oh yeah, and we did it for 30,000.
It's really clean in there. That's nice. Well, this could have been the one that we passed half an hour ago too. It looks pretty similar. Pontiac Trans Am.
bit at a time, you know, here and there. Because I said I'm gonna put more money in the car. Because my goal is to I'm gonna get a Corvette. One. Yeah. So that's what I want. But I just bought these a couple of weeks ago. Yeah. I'm like, but you know, these are 875 Corvette rims. Yeah. And walking down to
Chevelle SS. Monte Carlo SS. $1985. '59 Chevy. Apache 31.
He's not.
how old are you?
He just turned 2.
Oh, that's cool. The seats in there, it's not a bench.
Well,
You say yeah?
'66 Ford Fairlane. GT. This might be one of the nicest ones here. I like the colors on this one. I don't like it so low to the ground, but still nice. The G53. Oh, that is nice inside here. Wonder if that's a custom. I don't think they cup holders are stock. All the art up on top there. That's nice. Look at that. That's 3-speed on the column too. Well, that's I'm all tongue-tied. I had a chocolate milkshake a while ago and nothing else really, and my mouth's all dry. Well, anyhow, that's my Burger King Friday night cruise-in video for August 25th, 2023. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.